So today I'm gonna do a spot check, see which nuke has a queen, which one has not, and I'll probably have a look at the hives, see how the honey supers are doing. Let's get to it. Okay, well, hive number one. Let's see if there's any queen. The goal is to check the hives if they have queens, like I said, and then make sure that if they don't, I'll bring them a new one. I'll probably buy a queen if needed, because I don't think it's there's enough time to raise more queens. Alright, that's an empty frame. It starts getting interesting at the third one. You see them fanning. Now let's hope we have a good news for first nuke. I see emergency cells. Several of them. So my guess is the queen came back, they didn't like her, and replaced her. But I'll have a look, see if I see anything interesting in the other frames. I see emerging brood. No eggs, of course. Now, here's the queen cell I added last time I was here. Let's have a look, shall we? Now, I see it emerged. So my guess is probably right. They didn't like the new queen. Later, let her lay a few eggs, and well, got rid of her. Let me show you if I can. Like you can see, she emerged. Okay, well, not a complete loss, but that's at least another 3 weeks of waiting. That's okay. I have, like, if she makes it, I have resource hives that are dedicated to making comb and brood. I'll be able to make her strong enough for winter. This one has a slightly bigger population, I think. Let's have a better look. Now I've been to the second location today, and the owner of the land addressed a few concerns to me. Like, he basically said, what if there's a bad luck and one of my cows gets stung in the eye? Now it's something I think is very important, is to reassure the owner of the land, because you depend on these people. If for any reason you want the bees off of your land, please tell me immediately, and I'll start making some I'll start taking some steps towards moving the bees elsewhere. So he saw I was trying to take advantage of him. He said, well, I'll give you a year. If everything's okay within a year, then that should be good. I see nothing on this frame. It's all empty, drawn comb. Let's get deeper in the brood nest. No eggs yet. It looks like she's not laying yet, but I'm at the earliest it is considered safe to look. Let's have a look at the queen cells. I see it emerged too. So the queen may simply have not been mated yet. Yeah, it is undrawn. Well, it is rather empty of eggs. I'm starting to wonder if I should leave them alone at least one more week. I'll check another 2 or 3. If I still get the same results, I will not bother any more hives because I don't want to risk the queen getting killed. These are empty again. They've started drawing the third one. What I'm interested in is, well, first seeing if the queen emerged. Here's the, I squished it when I move. I'm gonna move the frame. Let me have a better look. See if there's anything inside, because there's no larvae in there. The queen emerged. All right. Now it's completely possible there's no eggs yet, because if I'm see there's another queen cell here. They might have decided to make another one, so she might still be on her mating flight because I don't see any eggs. So after 3, I'm inclined to leave them alone. Yeah, there's no eggs anywhere yet, so my guess is we are way too early and I don't want to risk bothering them. Alright, I set this hive as a single brood chamber, drove the queen down, and gave her 2 supers because the basswood will be soon. Alright, let's have a look. See if they started bringing in any nectar at all. And let's make sure the queen is down in her brood chamber. Right, this part is empty. With, I think they started drawing it. Let's have a better look. Yeah, they have begun drawing the comb. It's very hard to see, but especially since it's a white frame. But there's some wax at the bottom there. Now I left 1 frame of brood in here as bait for the bees to realize, well, there's room up here. Let's have a look. Yeah, they have started storing nectar. See if the brood emerged. Let's see if there's any eggs. Alright. This frame's starting to get heavy. Yeah, I see some drone comb here. But I don't see any eggs. Yeah, I'll try to clear the bees, but you see they're filling the nectar as the brood emerges. Since there's no eggs, I'll check the last frame where there's drawn comb. I think at least this hive is good for now. Yeah, no eggs, some drawn comb. So that's all for now. I think I need to give the bees at least 1 or 2 more weeks. See if they get mated properly. Other than that, it's lining up to be a great nectar flow again this year. So, I'll see you all next time. Thank you all for watching. And there's an angry bee in the microphone. I'll see you all next time. Please like and subscribe.